Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we are at Great Bridge Lock Park, and we've done a video here before, but it wasn't like a full video. It was the marsh video, and I just kind of added this in to make the video longer, but now we're here. And hopefully we take some nice pics. This is like the first time I'm here and there's like nobody here. I probably should have came out when like at a better time. Because we kind of got this white sky going on. My battery's about to die. At the moment, I'm following these geese to see if I can get some nice pictures of them swimming. I'll take some pair pictures. I was going to take the picture. I'll take it though. Do you hear these geese going crazy? I kind of want to take a picture of it without the geese now. Those geese are going wild. I don't know what's happening over there. They smell so salty. The thing I love about this place is like the reflections in the water. They just give so clear reflections. Wow, there we go. Yeah, I should have came out here earlier when like the sun was rising. Lesson learned, it's cool. You know what? I was trying to figure out why this looks weird. I think it's because there's always a boat right here. And now there's not a boat right here. Kind of like the darkness, actually. Trying to find some new pictures that I haven't taken at this place. Kind of want something like this. See how it looks. This might look cool too. Are they going onto the pier? A little darker. Nice. I won't do this pier picture because I've taken this pier picture about, I was about to say like a million times. I've only taken it about like 3 times. Darken maybe? Yeah. Like the reflections just make it so like symmetric. I don't know if symmetric is the right word, but that's the word we're using. The sun. I'm not about to do that. I really don't like that sun. Look at that, and then I'd be able to get the birds if, not the birds, but the geese flying if the sun wasn't right there. You know, I wasn't gonna do a portrait of this, like a vertical, but it kind of looks cool. Pretty sure there's not too much over there, so we won't go over there. Let me get behind this tree before I take this picture. I want to kind of get rid of these signs though. I'll probably get rid of these signs in the editing. Actually, I don't think I got the signs in there. Nice. Hopefully you guys can see this. You might just see a reflection. Yeah. Actually, I did kind of like that picture. I'm gonna take that picture. We'll see how it looks. Might as well. Might as well. Brighten that up a little bit, turn down the shutter speed. Yeah. Yeah, a lot of these pictures might not be able to get because of the sun. I don't even know how this looks. This might look bad on the camera, like on the action camera. So I can barely see. I was gonna like walk down this like street, but might be too bright. So if it is too bright, I will it will skip straight to the intro. It will skip straight to the outro. So we'll see what happens. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow the IG. That is Dominic B_photography. It will be in the description below. And yeah, I will see you guys next video.